Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Adobe Acrobat keeps showing the "Share your PDFs using WhatsApp" pop-up every time you open the application, this quick video will show you how to stop it. Let's get started. First, close all open PDF documents and make sure Adobe Acrobat is completely closed. Now, go to your desktop and locate the Adobe Acrobat shortcut. Right-click on it. If you're using Windows 11, you may need to select Show More options first. Then, click Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Under Compatibility Mode, look for the option Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. If it is set to Windows 8, uncheck this option. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Now, open Adobe Acrobat again and open any PDF file. Next, click the Menu button and open Preferences. In the Preferences window, select General from the left panel. Now, look for the option Show me messages when I launch Adobe Acrobat. Uncheck this option. Then click OK to save the changes. Finally, close Adobe Acrobat completely and open it again with any PDF file. The "Share your PDFs using WhatsApp" pop-up should no longer appear when you launch Adobe Acrobat. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Adobe and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.